This is Zipper by the Yard. If you are unfamiliar, I have posted a million videos on what this is and where to get it. It's in my Amazon store. I love this stuff. You can get it in the colorway of your teeth, like where they match, or you can get it where it's like fake metal zipper looking, a million different options. You also get like a million different pulls. But why are we here today? I have seen this question a lot. I hear it. I've covered it before, but I am going to keep covering it because you guys keep asking it and I want you to grasp this. Loading the zipper pull onto the Zipper by the Yard is a struggle for a lot of you. So let's do an extreme close-up on how to add the zipper pull onto the Zipper by the Yard. Now listen, don't use your nice fabric scissors to cut Zipper by the Yard. You should always have a backup pair of scissors. It's like either an older pair or just a set-aside pair that is meant for cutting like Zipper by the Yard, weird things that you don't want your fabric scissors cutting, because those fabric scissors, they are sacred. Once you get your Zipper by the Yard cut to the size that you want, I'm going to use a different color pool today so that you can hopefully like really see what I'm doing here. This looks like Mika. Makes me think of Mika and Blippi. Does anybody else watch that? How to tell if you have a 4-year-old without saying the words. Pull open the bottom of that zipper tape, okay? Like maybe an inch. This zipper pull is going to have 2 little divots. You see that on the left and the right? And that's what we need to feed the zipper teeth into. Man, I need a manicure. Okay, so slide your zipper teeth into whichever side. It's really kind of like whichever side feels more comfortable to you. If it feels like it's getting stuck, that's not what you want. You want it to be able to slide up and down real easily like this, okay? Now, I like to pull this back down as far as I can go without it sliding off the end. For some people, it's easier just to hold it in your hand. As long as you're holding onto that zipper, see how I've got my finger right on top of it? And you're gonna ooch that other side in. Now, does this look even? 100% no. Is that okay? Yes. Even if you just slid it up right now with this like unevenness, let me just show you. Let's say you just slide it up, put your fingers down on those zipper teeth and you pull it up. And you've got this weird like zigzaggy bubble. It's really fine. I want you to just push that zipper all the way to the top and let it pop the end. When I cut Zipper by the Yard, I tend to cut it a 1/2 inch longer than I need it. And this is exactly the reason why. Then I can even it up with my sewing scissors and it's like it never happened. Slide your first side in, hold on to that zipper pull with your thumb and the back of your finger. We don't want this moving anywhere. Slide that other side in. And if you really want to get it even on the first try, the trick to this is I like to pinch my zipper teeth right here, and I'm going to kind of maneuver this zipper pull around until I see that both of those ends are even. This takes a little practice. Even then, it's still not going to be like super perfect. It's okay to not get this perfect. Just cut your zipper a little bit longer though if you're unsure and trim it up at the end. That's the best advice I can give you, is just fake it till you make it, y'all. Add a little extra zipper tape on there. If you get that big bubble, fine. Push it back up to the top, release the bubble, and then trim it up. And then it's perfect. Now they make tools that help you do this called like the zipper jig, and some people use like a fork to do it. You find the way that works best for you. I also get the question a lot, do I have to buy a whole bag of Zipper by the Yard? I'm just starting out sewing. I don't know if I want to keep doing bags. I'm just trying this the first time. You can absolutely use a prepackaged zipper. Just trim it down to the size that you want. That is totally fine. I have a bunch of Zipper by the Yard loaded into my Amazon store, as well as some of those tools that help you load the zipper tabs if you want to look at them. I hope this was helpful. Keep these questions coming. You guys are asking really, really good questions, and I hope that my answers are helping you in your sewing journey. Like and follow for more.